Here are some Fiverr gigs that are very easy to do. Some sellers are making $50 to $100 a day selling those. Let me show you how. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So Fiverr is a really great way to get started online because most people will not have a product to sell. So instead, being able to sell like a service is a great way to get started online. And the great thing with Fiverr is that you can sell just about anything with this platform. You know, it's just about being really creative and coming up with a good idea of what you can sell that people are going to be interested or something that you know there will be a demand for. So on that note, let's explore some of those Fiverr gigs that you can sell today, and you will realize that some of those Fiverr gigs are actually quite easy to do. So the first one we are going to look into, the first gig you could sell is Instagram stories. Instagram stories is very popular. As you know, there are a lot of people on Instagram, and you know there is a demand for Instagram stories on Fiverr. As you can see, this seller says he will make Instagram stories and Facebook ads. If we go through on his sales page, you see that he's got over 700 positive reviews and 5-star positive reviews. So usually 1 in 5 people will give a review. So if he's got like 700, so most probably he's made at least over 3,500 sales from this particular gig alone. And as you can see, he's still getting orders at the moment. And if we look at some of his packages, he's charging $40 for a basic package for a video of 15 seconds. And then he's got the standard package for $50. He's got the premium package for $60. So, it's a really great gig that you can really resell. And if we look at some of his videos that he's created, you'll see that a lot of those videos are actually not that hard to create. And I'm going to show you later in this video how you can create those videos. So as you can see, those are some of those video ads and Instagram stories that he's creating for his clients. And believe me, they are not that hard at all. I'm going to show you later in this video. So if we scroll down, you look at some of his sales text here, you see that what you will receive: message me before you order this. I will create an audience, Instagram stories and attractive Facebook ads, perfect for your Shopify store and dropshipping business. So it does not really necessarily have to be for your for a Shopify store or dropshipping. This can be for anything. So you could basically do something very similar to this guy, and I'm going to show you how you can create those Instagram stories. Here's another one here. I will make an awesome Instagram story design, single design $20, standard design $55 for free Instagram story designs, and a premium one for $70. So this is really an easy way of how you could get started with Fiverr. The second one we're going to talk about is video ads. Video ads for YouTube, Instagram. As you can see, this particular seller here, he creates short YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook video ads for products. He's got over 250 positive reviews. So let's say 1 in 5 gave him a review. He most probably made over 1,000 sales from this gig. He's still getting orders coming in, and he's got a basic package of $40 where he will create 1 video ad plus 1 thumbnail, a standard package, a premium package. So this is a gig that you can definitely do, and I'm going to show you later how you can do that. But a lot of those videos are actually a lot easier to do once you have the right template that you can work on. As you can see, those are the kind of videos that I'm going to show you how to create later in this video. So if we look at another video gig, another Fiverr gig, this one here, I will create promotional short video ads for Facebook or Instagram. He's also charging between $75, so a little bit higher than the previous one, for a 15 to 30 second video ad. This one $145, up to $200 for 1 minute to 1 minute and a half video ad. Over 388 positive reviews, so definitely over 1,000 sales already. So those guys are definitely making a ton of money. So even if this guy make only $75 for the basic package, and he most probably made over let's say 1 in 5 gave him a review, so it's definitely above 1,000 sales. So over $75,000 maybe he could have made from this particular Fiverr gig. The third one we're going to talk about are slideshows. Slideshows are very easy to create. This guy here creates awesome slideshows, colorful photo slideshows, promo videos. He's got over 1,000 positive reviews. I mean, I can't even imagine how many sales he made from that gig. I mean, it's insane. And he's still getting orders coming in. He's got a basic package of $5 when he will create a slideshow for up to 50 videos, standard package, a premium package, and you can see some of his works here. It's really easy to create those kinds of slideshows, and I'm going to show you later. And so this is something that you can definitely do, and that only takes you like a few minutes every single day, and I'm gonna talk about it more later in this video. So he creates slideshows, wedding slideshows, birthday slideshows, websites, Mother's, Father's Days. So many different things that he can create for that particular niche, as you can see. Here's another one here. I will create slideshow from photos and videos in 6 hours. Different packages similar to the one we just looked at. Over 250 positive reviews already. So as you can see, those are some of his previous works. Those are extremely easy to create. Look at that. And he's got a ton of different things that he can show: wedding slideshow, website slideshow, advertisement videos. So I'm going to talk more about this later in this video on how you can create those. And finally, the fourth one I want to talk about are quotes videos. Now, there is a demand for this as well. As you can see, this seller here, I will create motivational quotes video for Instagram and Facebook. He's got over close to 230 positive reviews, charging $5 all the way to $20 for 15 motivational quotes videos. So if we have a look at some of his videos, you'll see that those are very simple videos, most of the time stock footage with a quote right in the middle. As you can see, here is different formats that he created. If you want it, work for it. Travel does not become adventure, and so on. And so he can even add the logo and the username. So those are very basic Fiverr gigs that you can do definitely 100%. And if you can get ranked high on Fiverr, eventually you will start making as much money as some of those people are doing on Fiverr. So how can you sell those types of Fiverr gigs? Okay, how are those sellers creating those kinds of videos, those slideshows and video ads and so on, right? So what they are doing, they're most probably using a tool similar to this one, or maybe that tool specifically. And this tool is called invideo.io. The website you go to access the tool is invideo.io. And this is an online video creation tool that allows you to create all kinds of videos, and especially some of those videos that we talked about in this video. So you can create like intros and logo reveals videos, video ads, where we talked about this on Fiverr, and slideshows, as you can see, business presentations, invites and wishes, offer and discounts, video collages, webinar promos, quotes videos, we just talked about that a minute ago, video testimonials, product video ads, we also talked about that. So as you can see, this is an online video creation tool that allows you to create a bunch of different videos that would be required, especially for social media. So you can create like wide videos, maybe for YouTube, square videos, vertical videos for Instagram, for TikTok, and so on. And so they will provide you with a bunch of different templates that you can work with. Something else you can do, you can provide them with some kind of text, and they will turn it into videos. So this is something that is really cool. Or you can simply start from scratch with a blank Canva and simply work from there. So what you could do is basically, first of all, you would select the dimensions that you want. So since you're creating like Instagram stories and video ads for Instagram and so on, you would pick the vertical dimension, and then basically you can simply pick a template to start working on. So as you can see, you've got like Instagram stories. You can simply pick one of those templates and edit them, and that's what you would sell to your clients on Fiverr. You can create like intro videos, logo reveal videos, video ads. We talked about that. You can create video ads on here, which are very easy to do. Slideshows, we talked about slideshows on Fiverr, and this is how you could create those slideshows. You would basically get one of these videos template and simply add all the photos, and they would be revealed as such. You can create business presentations, offer and discounts, video collages, coach videos. We talk about coach videos on Fiverr. Here we are, like motivational coach video on Fiverr, so you could create those as well. So there's a bunch of different things that you can do with this particular tool. So for example, let's just say we went with the video ads and we click on view all. You will see that you can get up to, I think, more than close to 500 templates that you can use to create video ads. So you've got a lot of choices here, to create video ads for your clients. So this guy here, he's charging like $40, $50, $70 to create Facebook, Instagram video ads, and you've got like so many templates in here that you can use, close to 500 different templates that you can use to create video ads for your client. So for example, let's say you wanted to select this one, you would click on this and then you would select which dimension you want to go for. So let's say you went for this dimension, then you would click on use this template. Once you click this template, you allow it to load. Once it's loaded, you are brought to this particular page here where you can edit the video and make it look more unique, or change it and make it look the way you want it to. So for example, I just played the video and it's showing me different scenes in that video and different text that goes with it. So you can simply edit the scenes. If you don't like one of the scenes, you can simply delete the scenes and look for another scene on the template here. You can change some of the text that you see in here. So as you can see, it's written, "We stand with you in this fight against cancer." So you can simply click on this and then change that text. You can change the video. So as you can see, this is very easy to create a lot of those kinds of videos, and this is how a lot of those Fiverr sellers are creating their videos. They are either using a tool that is very similar to this one, or they are simply using the exact same tool. And as I showed you, those are very easy to do. Maybe it might require a slight learning curve at first for you to become very familiar with this, but if you try and create some of those videos, eventually you'll become very, very good at creating those kinds of videos. They're really not as hard as you might think they are. So there you go, guys. I hope you like what I've shown you in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.